Guys, I have a great treat for you today. We're going to take a tour of another house in South Eastlake, but this time we're going to look at a much larger, much bigger house. Um, an acquaintance of mine, Joseph Holt, is actually the investor that renovated this beautiful house and brought it back. So we're going to go ahead and take a tour with him and just see what he's done to this lovely home. All right, stay tuned. Let's take a look at this lovely renovation. This house is about 4,200 square feet. It's got 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and it was actually originally built in 1929. So you've got this lovely old home that's now been given new life. Let's see what it looks like inside. All right, let's go take a tour. Looks like Joseph gave me the keys and said, hey, go at it. So let's see what he's done. Oh, wow. This room is beautiful. My goodness. These ceilings, these cathedral ceilings have to be maybe 16 feet tall at least. Beautiful. What a great entrance when you walk right in. My goodness. Off to your left side here, you have this massive dining room. This beautiful view. Wow. And then through this archway, oh man. Got this great kitchen. Oh. Wonderful. Comment below what you guys think of painting a kitchen blue like this. This is something my brother and I have been wondering about. Got white cabinets. Actually, I think these are actually light gray cabinets. Let's turn on the lights and get a better look. Ah, there we go. Okay, stand corrected. Yeah, tell me what you guys think of the color choice in here. It's an interesting color choice going with the dark navy blue versus the gray shaker cabinets. Really nice though. Love the stonework on the countertop. Beautiful. All right, let's keep going. So, let's see what we've got. Man, it looks like it's some sort of stonework back here. Now this is interesting. Something you don't see every day in a house. Wow. Cool. You know, this gives you a whole different feel from the rest of the house. It's got a lot of usable space down here. Oh man, look at this. You've got some bench seating, concreted into the stonework here. You've got over here some cabinets for your storage. And here's just really cool and calming. I mean, there's a lot of ways a family could use a space like this. Really nice. All right, we're back upstairs on the main floor. Let's take a look what we have around here. Oh, yeah. This looks like it's the master suite. Oh man. Yeah, this is really nice. Look at these ceilings. Another room with really tall ceilings. Just opens up the whole space. And then you can walk right out to this nice large deck area. Oh man, really cool. Got your fireplace there. Oh, you guys want to get romantic? Man, you got your double closets. Really nice. Oh, amazing. Let's keep going. Okay now. Hello. Wow, look at that tile work. My goodness. Oh yeah, he went all out on this one. Beautiful. Man, your double sconces, this gorgeous tile work, right down into your own soaking tub. Amazing. Tell me what you guys think about this bathroom. I mean, you know, South Eastlake is one of those areas that are really coming back, and I think this house is going to set the bar. This is one of probably the largest houses that you're going to see renovated out here, and what he's done with this house to really bring it to life is amazing. I mean, I have to give it to him. Absolutely lovely. Man. Got a nice soaking tub and then a really cool herringbone tile shower. Awesome. Man. This master suite in itself, I mean, this is really well done. Nice large bathroom, a huge bedroom. And there's so many different ways somebody could use this room. And the fact that you can walk out to your own deck, I mean, really nice. The choice of colors in here too. You know, this is something that I'm trying to get better at and learn. So if you guys have any tips for, you know, how to choose colors, what you guys think whenever you're trying to paint a place, definitely let me know. You know, another thing too that he's done well with this is that he's staged it really well. All right, well, we've seen the main floor. Let's see what he's done upstairs. Okay, one thing I noticed right off the bat is that he's kept the either kept or he's brought back the wood stair treads. Really nice touch. You know, when you guys have a home that you can add any sort of natural woods to, or any sort of natural materials in general, it always brings that warmth to a space. I like it already. Okay, another large bedroom. Beautiful. Yeah. You can have the parents down on the main floor in their own suite, and then the kids could be up here. All right, let's check out this bathroom. Nice, cute bathroom. You know, you don't really need a lot of space. You just really need just a nice clean area to be able to do your business. I like it. And he's kind of kept it consistent with the vessel sinks too, which I really like. All right, let's check out this other room. And one good thing is that all these bedrooms are probably, I would say they're probably maybe 14 by 12 or 14 by 14. I mean, really decent sized bedrooms. Sometimes in these older homes, you know, the bedrooms are 10 by 10 or so, but we've got some pretty good sized bedrooms in this place. Well, tell me what you guys think. You know, we're going to take a look at the outside here and then wrap this up. But I think he's done an excellent job. I mean, the woodwork is good, drywalling, the paint choices, the finish touches in the kitchen and the master bathroom. Sometimes, as an investor, you have to make some difficult choices of where you're going to put your money, where you get the best return, and how can you renovate something to have it sell as quickly as possible. So those aren't always easy choices. You have usually a limited amount of money that you can work with in order to be able to get things done, and you have to make tough choices sometimes. But I think from what I can see so far, he's made some good choices. I mean, the bedrooms are nice, clean, large, and then he's put some money into some details with these arches and tile work, and even the lighting choices. I mean, just beautiful choices throughout. All right, let's take a look at some of the outside.
Come on, 1, 2. Hey stop 참 무책임해 왜 자꾸 들었다 놨다 해 헷갈리게 친절은 사양할게 오해하게 하지 말아요 날 yeah 들어봐 가뭄 같은 마음엔 뭐라도 단비가 돼요 돼요 무의미한 말에 자꾸 내 맘이 설레요 그래요 아름다운 그대와 단둘이서 걷고 싶은데 에이, oh, oh. 많은 사람들 속에 난 그대만 보이네요 밤하늘의 별도